Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Cannot swipe your cash card at checkout? Then you might need to unlock the magnetic stripe, and here's how to do it fast. So before that, we need to know what is a magnetic stripe. A magnetic stripe on the back of your cash card lets you swipe your card in traditional cards reader, especially at older terminals that don't support chips or tap. For security, Cash apps lock it by default to prevent unauthorized swiping. Now, how to unlock that? For that, open your Cash app. So tap the green Cash app icon on your phone and make sure you are logged into the correct account. Then tap the card icon at the bottom and it looks like a little debit card. And then under your card images, tap Card Settings or three dot in the top right. And next, toggle on Enable Magnetic Stripe. So scroll down until you find Enable Magnetic Stripe. Toggle the switch on to allow magnetic stripe swiping. Next, Cash app may prompt you to confirm with your PIN, Touch ID or Face ID. After the verifications, your card magnetic stripe is now unlocked. And here's some security tip for you. Disable magnetic stripe after you are done swiping for added safety. And if your card is lost or stolen, immediately disable it from the app. But what if you don't see the options? Make sure your Cash apps update, your cash card must be activated, and if still unavailable, then contact Cash app support. And that's it. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.